First question. Matter is a substance which dash and dash. Answer. Occupies space, has some mass. Next, the second question is matter is made of smallest particle called dash. Answer is molecules. Next, the third question is molecules are made of smallest particle called dash. The answer is atoms. C. The fourth question is nucleus consists of dash and dash. The answer is proton and neutron. The electrons revolve around the dash. The answer is nucleus. Sixth one. Neutron is dash. Neutron is answer A. Neutrally charged or no charge. The seventh question is electron are dash charged. The answer is D. Negatively. The eighth question. Protons are dash. The answer is positively charged. The ninth question is electrons revolve around nucleus in different dash. The answer is orbits. The 10th question is the electrons in the outermost orbit is called dash. The answer is valence electrons. The 11th question is the outermost orbit in an atom is called dash. Answer is valence orbit. The 12th question is each electron has a charge equal to dash. The answer is 1.602 into 10 to the power of 19 coulombs. And the 13th question is the maximum number of electrons in an orbit is given by the relation dash. The answer is 2 into n square. The 14th question is the number of electrons in the third orbit is dash. The answer is 18. A. The 15th question is the number of electrons in the fourth orbit is dash. The answer is 32. 16th question. The number of protons or electrons in an atom is known as dash. The answer is D. Atomic number. 17th question. The atomic number is represented by the number of dash or dash in an atom. The answer is protons or electrons. 18th question. The atomic mass in an atom is the total number of dash and dash. The answer is protons. 19th question. The total number of protons and neutrons in an atom is known as answer. The answer of 19th question is A. Atomic mass or atomic weight. The 20th question is the atomic number of silicon is dash. The answer is D. 14. 21st question. The atomic number of germanium is dash question mark. The answer is C. 32. The silicon atom has 14 proton and 14 neutrons. So its atomic mass is dash. The answer is A. 4. 23rd question. The silicon atom has 14 proton and 14 neutrons. So its atomic number is dash question mark. The answer is D 14. 24th. The hydrogen atom has one proton and one electron, so its atomic number is dash question mark. The answer is A 1. 25th question. The charges at rest is known as dash question mark. The answer of 25th question is D static charges. The 26th question is what are the two classifications of system of units? The answer of 26th question is fundamental and derived units. The 27th question is what are the fundamental units? The answer of 27th question is B length, mass, time. The question of 28th is what denotes letter M in MKS system? The answer of 28th question is B meter. How many millimeters are there in 1 inch? The answer is 25.4 millimeter. 29th question answer. 30th question is which type of toy caps are used to avoid crushing feet at the time of shifting equipments? The answer is A steel toy caps. The 31st question is how the gas and liquefied gases are classified. The answer is classifier. The 32nd question is which fire extinguisher is used to put off classes C type of fire? The answer is D carbon dioxide. And the 34th question is which fire extinguisher is used to put off class A type of fire? The answer is dry powdered. C dry powdered. 5th question. How the overlapping of excess sheet metal causing bulge at seam and edge is prevented? Question mark. The answer is B notches. 6th one. What is the effect of electric shock at very low voltage levels? The answer at very low voltage levels less than 40 volts. The answer is B muscles contact. The answer is B muscle contact. What is the meaning of the information sign? The answer is D risk of explosion. 3rd one. Which artificial respiration method to be avoided to a person with abdomen injury? The answer is A SCHAFERS Schafer's method. What is the cause of injuring at the time of lifting a load? The answer is D. Wrong lifting technique. Wrong lifting technique. The answer is D. Fifth question. What is the shape of mandatory signs? The answer is B. Circular. Sixth question. Which method is used for blanketing with foam to extinguish the fire? The answer is smoothing. The seventh one question. Which material is used for making instrument cabinets? The answer is D. Sheet metal. Eighth question. What is the shape of warning sign board? Question mark. The answer is triangular shape. Next, the ninth one. Which class of fire is classified involving metals? The answer is D. Class D. 10th question. Which step is followed for treating a person from electric shock? The answer is D. Move the victim to ventilated place. First one. What is the shape of prohibition sign? The answer is circular. Second one. What is the name of safety group sign? The answer is D. Information signs. Third one. Which factor influences the severity of electrical shock? The answer is B. Duration of current passing. Duration of current passing. B. Duration of current passing is the answer. Fourth one. Which angle is checked by the tri-square? The answer is D. 90 degree angles. Fifth question. What is the use of screwdriver? Question mark. Answer is B. Tighten or loosen screws. Sixth question. Which is the maximum size of drill bit used in electrical machine? The answer is D. 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter. Seventh one. Which tool is used for seaming the funnel like taper? Answer is B. Angle steel. B. Angle steel. Eighth one. What is indicated by the arrow marked? What is indicated by the arrow marked X in the sawing operation? The answer is D. Direction of motion of blade. Direction of motion of blade. Ninth one. What is the purpose of wood rasp file? The answer is D. Preliminary rough work. The answer is D. Preliminary rough work. 10th question. What is the first step to rescue the person in electrical contact? The answer is C. Switch off power supply. The answer is C. Switch off power supply. What is the reasons for electric fire? The answer is C. Overload.